our channel Live Capture. How are you all doing? I hope you are all fine at your home. If you haven't watched the previous videos yet, do click on the links below in the description. So today we are going to show you how to make Andhra special chaat recipe. It's called Bajji Masala. Let's see how to make it. So first you have to soak 2 cups of chickpeas and 4 cups and 1 cup of dry peas. Cut 5 potatoes into small pieces. You have to boil chickpeas and potatoes together. With 2 glasses of water. And you have to boil yellow peas with 1 glass of water. Switch off the stove after 8 whistles. For this one, switch off the stove after 5 whistles. Cut onions into 4 pieces like this and add them to a jar to make onion paste. Blend them well. Make it a fine paste like this. Chop 3 tomatoes into medium-sized pieces and add them to a jar to make a paste out of it. It should be a fine paste like this one. The ingredients required are finely chopped onions, potato and chickpeas paste, besan powder, oil, boiled yellow peas, coriander leaves, onion paste, finely chopped chilies, tomato paste, 5 eggs and 5 tomatoes, lime juice, jeera powder, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, red chili powder, chaat masala, turmeric powder and baking soda. Let's start the process by boiling 5 eggs. Put half cup of oil in a kadai. After the oil gets heated, add green chilies that you have chopped before and the onion paste. Now that our paste is golden brown, we will add our tomato puree to it. When the paste and the oil start separating, that's when you know it's cooked and you have to add the boiled yellow peas that we have made earlier. And let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Now our gravy is half cooked. Now we should add the mixture of potato and chickpea paste that we have prepared earlier. Some coriander leaves for taste. Now we have to add all the powders that we have took before. It smells so good. So tempting. Gravy is ready. We can keep it aside for some time. Our eggs are boiled now. We can switch off the stove and let them cool for some time, and then we'll remove the shell. Make the bajji, we have to make the batter first. So for that you have to take besan powder with some baking soda and salt and add water. The consistency of the batter should be thick for making tomato and egg bajji. Some oil in a kadai to make the bajji. To check if the oil is heated or no, add some batter, and if it floats on the top, then it means it's ready to cook. Now let's make a bhaji. So here goes tomato bhaji. That's one. Now we are going to make egg bhaji. Cover the egg with the batter and put it in oil. Take a tomato bhaji and slice it into half. The same process should be followed for egg also. And then remove the bhaji layer. Separate the tomato and the outer part. Add the chopped tomatoes to a bowl and some onions. Some chaat masala and some spice, red chilli powder, some coriander leaves, some salt for taste, add some curry. Now we should add this bhaji to it. And now we should add some lime juice. Now it's all mixed and ready to be served. Wow, it's really tasty. Yes, very tasty. In this cool climate and chaat, the combination is perfect. You all should try out this recipe, and if you do, please do tell us how it tastes in the comment section below. Or you can message us, or you can even mail us. This is a perfect recipe for this quarantine because you don't have to go out to make this. You can make it at your home. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for watching.